Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Julie will be sharing her DIY natural nail care routine at home, along with an easy clean manicure at the end. So take it away, Julie.
Hey guys, it's Julie. Now let's jump right on into the video. So you'll want to start off with clean nails, so make sure you remove any nail polish that you have on them. And then next I'm going to go into the grooming process. This involves filing my nails into shape, making sure the side walls are even, and then if I have any peeling, I'll use a light buffing block to smooth out those ridges just to prevent them from flaking further. And about once a month, or if I'm going to do a gel manicure, I do go ahead and just buff the whole nail surface just to smooth it out, but I never overdo this. Another tip for improving the overall look of your nails is to go ahead and just trim any bits of skin that you have surrounding your fingernails. I never use cuticle trimmers because they freak me out, but I will use nail clippers to just clip any little hangy pieces of skin. Next, I'll attend to my cuticles, and believe it or not, the cuticle isn't the skin around the nail. It's actually a very sticky tissue that's on your nail surface, and it shouldn't feel painful at all to remove it. I use a cuticle remover and a steel cuticle pusher, and I just lightly scratch that sticky tissue off my nail surface. And in between fingers, I make sure to wipe off that cuticle pusher on a cotton pad that has alcohol on it, just to keep everything hygienic. So doing this is good for two reasons. It improves the overall look of your nails, but it also removes any debris that could aid in the peeling or lifting of any manicure that's going to follow. Then next, I just take another cotton pad and I clean off my nails with nail polish remover. Or you can use rubbing alcohol if you have that on hand. And as you can see, just doing those few steps alone completely improves the look of my nails. So if I don't plan on wearing nail polish, I always have some sort of base coat on my natural nails to prevent them from breaking. I'm using this strengthener right now, which is amazing, but if you don't have that, you can just use a plain base coat and that does the trick. On days I feel like I want my manicure to be a little more polished, I'll wear a very sheer shade. I have 3 of them that I'm liking right now. This one is by Olive and June, and it's a very pretty milky beige color. Then there's this one by Londontown, and this has a little more white in it, and it's actually the shade I'll be using for my manicure today. And lastly is this one by Essie, and this has more pink in it, so it'll look a little more delicate and dainty. Try applying just one coat of this sort of shade and watch how dramatically it improves the look of your nails. They look natural, but really healthy and really groomed. Right now, my nails are on the shorter side, but this looks especially pretty if you have longer nails and you can see more of that white free edge. Doing this just really makes your nails look like they're almost fake. Once that's dry, which shouldn't take long because all we did was one thin coat, I'm going to pop on a really glossy top coat just to lock that in. Another thing I love about doing this sort of clean manicure, it wears so long. I don't know why. I guess because you can't really see a chip because it's so close to your natural nail color, but it's great for those of you that have a hard time keeping nail polish on. And the last step in achieving a healthy looking manicure is to treat your actual skin. I always apply a cuticle oil after any manicure I do. This one I'm really liking. It's by Bliss and it comes in this really convenient clicky pin. I just apply that around my nails and I massage it into my skin. And then I'll either apply a thick hand cream, or right now I'm really liking this hand serum by Londontown because it's very lightweight. And again, I'll just really take the time to massage that into my skin, and I try to do this at least twice a day, in the morning and right before bed. And there you have my tips and tricks on creating a healthy looking manicure right in the comfort of your home. If you'd like to watch more helpful Cute Polish videos, you can click on these boxes here and click on the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my own personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.